Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Destiny credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. Open up a preferred web browser and into the URL box type in www.destinycard.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you end up in the official web page, which looks like this, you can click on the My Account button at the top right hand corner. This will now take you to the sign-in area. Destiny Card is an unsecured credit card designed for people with bad credit. The Destiny MasterCard provides benefits that can help you successfully manage your credit. To log in and access your online account, go and type in your username followed by your account's password in the text boxes appearing on the right corner. If you don't have an account yet for Destiny, click on Register your account and follow through the prompt. If you already have an account, type in your username correct in the first text box and type in your password on the next field as well. If you don't remember your username or password, get help by clicking Forgot your username or password and you'll be able to reset your password or look for your username. After filling in both of your credentials correct, click Login, and that is how you'll be able to access your Destiny credit card account online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.